today we're going to be making mini camping sets. So we're going to start with your tent. So you're going to need some construction paper. I already have the two sides and the front and back cut out. And about 8 popsicle sticks. You're also going to need hot glue, so you're going to need an adult's help. So once your hot glue is hot, the first thing you're going to make is the front triangle piece. So I'm going to just match the shape up to my triangle. And then at this point, I'm going to put a little dot of hot glue. And then just hold it there for a sec to let it dry. Double check, yeah, that'll fit. And then you repeat that once more. Maybe with a little less hot glue this time. Yep, that'll fit. Now, the nice thing about hot glue is it only takes a second to really dry. The next thing you're going to do is make some structure for the paper to sit against, and so it's not flopping around as much as this one is. So what you're going to do is make a bottom piece and a top piece for you to then attach your front and back pieces to. So that way everything lays evenly and doesn't move around on you as much. So you're going to put a dot of hot glue and once that's all dry and done, then you're going to attach your construction paper cover pieces. Then you're done. So there's the tent. This was my demo one. So for the fire, you're going to put the hot glue away. You just need white craft glue for this one. So to make your fire, a little campfire, you're going to need a bottle lid, some paper straws, some tissue paper. I'm using yellow and orange. You can add red in there. You're going to need some brown paint, some craft glue, and some craft sand. So to start, you're going to make your logs first. So they're just paper straws cut to size and painted brown. So you're just going to cut them to about an inch or so. It sort of depends how tall you want your fire. And cut about 6 of those. Okay, so now I've cut my logs. So now I'm going to paint them brown and then just set them off to the side. So once you're done painting your logs, then you can start working on your base. You just set those off to the side to dry. So what you're going to do is put white glue in the cap here, and then pour sand on it, press it down, let it dry just a titch until it's still squishy, and then you're going to add layers to that. then once you're done putting sand in, you're gonna put your logs, you're gonna stick them into the sand so they make a little pyramid. So once you've let the base dry a little bit, you're going to take your tissue paper and just tear bits of each color. Doesn't have to be any regular shape. And then you're gonna pinch them together like this. And then once you have enough of these, you can just glue them in wherever you like. Then once you let that dry, that's your fire. So that's your completed little camping set. Don't forget to join us live on Facebook on Friday at 2 p.m. This week we're going to be making toilet paper roll binoculars. See you there. Thanks for watching.